Good morning, it's Brian at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this 2013 Hyundai i10 1.1 Deluxe model. Brian is my name. The garage is Fitzpatrick's Garage, which is Maxall here, Honda here, Hyundai here, and up the road there's also Mercedes, and then there's garages in Naas and Carlow and Tullamore. And the reason I'm saying that is, if you're buying a car like this car here, at least you have some good backup service, and I suppose it just gives you peace of mind. This kind of car, we can actually take a trade-in against it, and we can also organise finance, and because it's a 131 car, it actually qualifies for pretty good finance rates. So, anyway, if you want information on the car, 086 843 1945, let's have a quick look to see what this car is all about. So back to the car. As we were saying, this is 2013 Hyundai i10 1.1 and a deluxe model. What I mean by that is, on the front of the car, it has front fog lights, there are alloy wheels on the outside, and everything is colour coded, including things like wing mirrors, door handles, the strips down along the doors. So it's quite a tidy looking vehicle overall. In terms of the inside, there's a couple of significant features which are part of the deluxe spec, so I'll go through that with you once we've gone through the outside. The car is good and tidy down the sides. So if we have a look, the quarter panel onto the two doors onto the wing, nice and tidy. Roof is good, the boot lid is good, and then down the left hand side quarter panel onto the doors, again all nice and tidy throughout. The car we have just serviced, so we've replaced tyres on the car, and the car has had the scheduled servicing that it needs, and it'll be coming with NCT and warranty and AA cover as well. So after that then, in terms of the inside of the car, if you have a look at the boot, again, car is actually not too long in, so it actually needs to be cleaned up. Down underneath in the boot area there is, if I can get at it, which I can't seem to, oh there it is, okay, spare wheel, which actually is getting rare in a lot of cars these days. This handle here allows you to bring the boot down, and then in terms of the back, there is 3 head restraints, 3 3-point safety belts, seats are in good condition, kangaroo pockets in the rear, and then floors are in good condition as well. Because it's deluxe, it has rear electric windows, and then there's a child lock over here for the rear doors, and then up front there is front and rear electrics, as we saw, with electrics for mirrors. These rain shields on the outside, the previous owner put them on the car, so they're just handy for leaving the window down a little bit when the weather's not so nice. But actually, to be fair, because the deluxe, it has air conditioning. It also has things like auxiliary and iPod connectors down through here. The seat on the passenger side is in excellent condition, as is the carpet. Unfortunately, I just have a little bit of advertising paraphernalia under there, but I assure you it's in nice condition throughout, as is the driver's seat. Even the bolster wear and stuff like that is actually quite minimal. The other thing about the car then is front and rear fog lights in through here, brightness of the dash and height of the lights through there. It has a fob along here for remote central locking. There is Bluetooth over here for mobile phone, volume up and down along through here for radio, so controls for the radio, CD and iPod from here as well. There is a driver's and a passenger's airbag as well, and then also the side of the seats will have airbags, as you can see along through there, and then the side of the doors down the side will have steel bars for side impact protection as well. So as you can see, at the price point this car is, it's actually very, very well equipped. So I guess if you were somebody that was looking for a car with a good monthly payment, and you have maybe an older car that you want to get rid of, and you want something that has a good level of specification, that's also safe, and that's also a fairly new registration rather than buying, say, a slightly older, larger car, this is definitely something you could consider. Road tax is low, fuel efficiency is very, very good, and they have been quite reliable, these cars. So hopefully this car is of interest to you. As we were saying, it is going to suit, okay, if you're looking for an i10 specifically, great, you know what you're after already, but I think this is the kind of car that someone's going to come in on the forecourt or possibly on the web, have a look at, look for a nice monthly payment, and then also trade in the old car that they have already, and then they want some backup service, because maybe the old car they had was getting a bit troublesome or whatever, so they want a new car, no trouble, straightforward, and at least then there's a backup service if anything did go wrong in the car, because I suppose everything is a man-made machine and you can never guarantee 100%, but usually with these i10s are quite good. As we were saying, we can take your trade-in, and also then we can organise finance on this car too, so you'll be driving away with a car that is NCT'd and warranted, and also roadside assist cover as well, so and I think the price point is very fair in the car as well, so if you want information on the car, 086 843 1945. Brian is my name. Hopefully the car is of interest. No matter where you are in the country, please do not hesitate to give me a shout. Thank you for taking the time to watch.